We came. We raced. We conquered. Introducing N, the fastest evolving performance brand today. Motorsport is in our DNA. The ultimate competition, the survival of the fastest. In just 7 years, we achieved 4 world championships. This motorsports DNA is shared across our 6-car lineup. Doesn't matter which N you drive, because all N cars are engineered with 3 pillars of N performance. Corner Rascal, racetrack capability, everyday sports car. Engineered to make your heart race. From road to track, gravel, and snow, we pushed ourselves to the nth degree. To our N fans around the world, we hear you. We hear you loud and clear. Your voice leads us to the next step forward. This is our lab, where we focus on what makes N the N. Because if there's one thing we don't change, even in an electrified era, it's the 3 pillars of N performance. So, are you guys ready? Buckle up. See how N's fun evolves. N's vision for a new era of driving dynamics. Introducing the RN22e. This is our rolling lab, our lighthouse for future technologies. We are challenging and studying the physical limits of heavier EVs. If RN22e can master this, the future potential is endless. Thanks to torque vectoring by twin clutch, power distribution to each wheel is now faster than ever, allowing the RN22e to carve through the corners with increased speed and precision, elevating N's signature corner carving feel to another level. Endurance is key to racetrack capability. Track-optimized cooling strategies control high-temperature items in check. With heavier weight, strong and consistent brake performance is a must. N-specific regenerative braking allows the RN22e to precisely control yaw and attack corners like never before. This is our answer for next-gen driving experience. Increased endurance without performance degradation, elevated fun with zero emission. The potential of Hyundai's eGMP technology is maximized to the highest level of performance. Just imagine the possibilities and listen to what that sounds like. How it drives. How powerful that is. You will be able to curate your own settings to suit your driving style. With RN22e, N is moving ahead of the curve by setting a strong benchmark for the new electrified performance. These aspects of the RN22e will transfer into a production car arriving soon. How soon? How about this?
In all of us, there's inner child that pushes our imagination into the world. And the origin of Hyundai was no different. We started from an idea that became a dream.
And brand was born in 2015 with a vision for sustainable high performance. Powered by hydrogen, Hyundai N22e Vision Gran Turismo was our dream for the future direction.
This dream was to create an exciting future for car enthusiasts around the world.
Making dreams come true, that's what we are doing at N. Some call it impossible, but we committed the best of entire Hyundai. From imagination into reality. Introducing the N Vision 74, the first hydrogen hybrid rolling lab from Hyundai N.
Progressive and disruptive. The design of N Vision 74 pays an homage to the Pony Coupe concept from 1974. It wasn't just a styling exercise, but a prototype of Hyundai's first production sports car. Despite our ambition, it didn't reach production in the end, but that daring attitude set the tone for entire company even today.
Taking inspiration from my memories of the Pony Coupe concept, I wanted N Vision 74's design to transcend time, inspired from the past, but at the same time, moving toward the future.
And the motorsports-inspired functional aesthetics represent our passion for sustainable high performance.
We're aiming our sights beyond electric cars. The fast charge and long-range characteristics of hydrogen fuel cells would change the way we enjoy driving, even the way we race in motorsports.
Our goal is to achieve the perfect balance between the state-of-the-art technology and iconic design.
The N Vision 74 and the RN22e have an important role to play in the strategic development of the entire product lineup. It's much more than just another production model. We call it Rolling Lab, representing the continuous development of our most advanced technologies. This unique and strategic approach makes us ready for the challenges of the future by pushing ourselves beyond the limits.
We will make the future exciting once again.
N is moving forward to set a new standard of sustainable high performance. Also, in the era of electrification, N will stay true to its philosophy, being an everyday sports car, a corner rascal, and above all, racetrack capable. The courage to pursue this mission and the ability to embrace imagination will open a new chapter of driving. Together, we are making it happen.
And that's what N is all about.